Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make hashtags invisible in descriptions of Instagram posts. If you want to add hashtags to your Instagram post but don't want people to see them, then you can easily hide them. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the feed post option from the pop-up menu. Start uploading a post as you would normally do. Now write a description of your post and hit the return button. After that, put 5 dots, as each dot should be on a separate line, so press on the return button every time you put a dot. Add all your hashtags below the last dot. That's it. In this case, Instagram will only show the first few lines of your post caption, so your hashtags will be hidden. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make hashtags invisible in descriptions of Instagram posts. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.